in Arizona, you know, one of the things that we're always trying to do is find the shade, whether it's at your home or maybe when you're out and about enjoying a restaurant or something outdoors, we still seek out the shade. And guess what? We found it. We're at a golf club in the East Valley, and I'm with this guy right here. You know him, Robert Mulvane. He's the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts.
Yeah.
This is such a cool place here, Robert.
This is unique.
You've turned what normally would be a limited space.
Limited in season, yeah.
Yes, into a completely 100% usable space all year long.
Day and night.
Day and night. Let's talk about this shade right here. Be careful, Brooks. I'm going to have you back up a little bit and go ahead and lower this again. What is so unique about this shade?
So this is a fully sealed track system, but we have to have a smooth surface to mount tracks. This did not have one. We had to create it. So we had to cut a nice channel in there for the L channels to mount the tracks for the shades to be able to work and seal this off.
Well, and a lot of homes even have this decorative stone already on the outside.
Yeah.
So
and they're discouraged.
Yeah, they think I can't do it.
I can't do it, but we can. We'll get it done.
You figured it out.
We did. There's some limitations, but we'll figure it out.
So here's what this does, Robert, is that it completely encloses it, right? And I think you and I have called this little mustache before. Yeah. That you can choose to put along the bottom, and that does what?
It seals off the bottom, the cracks, the expansion joints, the pavers. Has a lot of cracks in it. It'll fill those in.
Keeps the bugs out too.
Keeps the critters.
Right, right. Okay, so what this does, and I know there's opening up top, but in any other scenario, you could completely enclose this space.
Yes.
They even have heaters up here installed. So what are the benefits?
So you drop the shades, you put the heat on, have the guys come by an hour later, it's fully heated up, it retains the heat. So you can use these at night, even when the sun's gone you can use these. You can use them all day when the sun's there.
Yeah.
The sun's coming in, you want to drop your shades.
Right.
It protects your eyes, but you can see out. That's what the shades do. They protect your patio furniture, they protect your patrons, they protect your guests.
Yes.
And you can still see perfectly out.
Yeah.
But have privacy.
That's the key, right? Whether it's commercial, residential. Robert's taken us everywhere. We've been to some beautiful homes. Let's drop this one shade right here because I want to talk about how wide can you go with a shade like this?
We can go 30 feet wide, 16 feet tall, which we could have done one unit here, but they had a bar top and they didn't want it to stop here.
Oh.
They wanted to close this entire seating area off.
Okay.
So we created a post. So we mounted a 4x4 steel post to be able to mount this track to, and close it off. It's super custom, but we got it done.
But that's the thing that you guys do is custom work because
custom
everybody's got a different, unique floor plan, whether it's a business or a home.
Yeah.
But you can always make it work.
Yeah, we find a way.
All right, let's talk about, I want to lower this one for me. Let's talk about colors.
Okay.
So this one, this one right here, this is, a lot of people have challenges. You want, commercial buildings want to have that match perfectly. You have HOAs to deal with. How many choices do we have?
So we've added new colors. So we have Nano 95, Nano 97. We have...
What?
We had 14 colors.
Okay.
So we added more colors. So we have even more to match with HOAs.
Okay, I love it, I love it. And the casings as well, because it all fits, right? It all looks gorgeous, it all works together. We have choices.
Yeah.
Even with the casings.
Yeah, there's 5 standard powder coat colors and we can custom match anything you need. We can get it done.
Yeah, well there's the challenge, is that there is no challenge. So I love you for that.
Yeah.
Should we go join that party over there?
Yeah, we should.
You're having way too much fun. Here's more information. How about a special offer? Free estimate and free installation. There's a new showroom, but it's by appointment only. Visit All Pro Shade Concepts. Call 623-204-1476 or visit the website allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy at abc15.com/homepros.